Welcome to our Villa Vineyard for another field session today. We are mid-February now and we are close to berraison, meaning the grapes start to turn in color and getting softened, so getting closer and closer to harvest. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to use a tool that's called a pressure bump, which helps us determine how much water we want to put in the vineyard and what are the needs of the grapes. The idea is that early in the season, when the plant wants to grow a lot of canopy, it needs quite a lot of water, so we're helping by giving a bit more irrigation. But now that we're getting at berraison, we don't want the plants to keep on growing some leaves and growing the canopy. We want it to be effective and use all the carbohydrates and bring it to the berries to have a good ripeness. And to do so, we need to induce what we call a moderate stress. I mean, we slightly give less and less water from now on, so that the plant really focus on producing the best possible grapes. So to do so, we came this morning. We've taken a leaf that we've put inside of aluminium foil. The idea is that we want this leaf to believe that it's night time. By doing so, the leaf is going to shut all its stomata, meaning that the water that's inside of the cells and inside of the leaf is going to be at the same pressure as what is in the ground. So the whole idea is to see under how much stress the vine is and how much water there is actually in the ground, so that we can determine how much water we need to give to the plant to again produce the best possible grapes. So to do so, I'm going to cut the petal now. I'm going to go to the pressure bump. A pressure bump is we are going to put the leaf in a small chamber here that we are going to completely seal and put under pressure by adding some nitrogen inside. And we are going to keep a close eye on the end of the petal, and we are going to see when the first drop of soap is coming out. And depending on how much stress the vine is under, it will require more or less gas to get this first drop. So we're putting the leaf in the chamber. We're going to completely seal the chamber, so there's no air coming out. And now we are going to increase the pressure in the chamber and read how many bars we need to get that first drop to come out. So what we'll do is going to put the petal right at the sun, and once we see the first drop coming out, we'll stop the pressure. Here we go, you can see the reflection of the sun in there, and we can read 7 bar here. So we are quite at the lower limit of the stress that we want to induce. So the amount of water that we are giving to that particular vineyard at the moment is probably right where we want to be.